Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. I'm showing you how to do this press-on nail tutorial. I'm obsessed with these nails, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my TikTok, and my Instagram. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the tutorial. So I'm using the brand Tres She Instant Acrylic Nails. They have a few different styles on their website. There's some really fun ones, so I'll definitely link them down below so you can check them out. But here's what the kit comes with. Each set comes with the materials that you need. You can choose sizes between extra small to large, I believe. I have the small size here, however, I should have gone up a size. In these boxes, you have extra set of nails. I didn't end up using all of the ones that came in the box, obviously. A lot of them were a little too small for me, so I had to customize them to my shape. First, you want to fit the nail to your actual nail. And when you're doing that, you want to make sure that each end touches either side wall and that no real nail is actually showing through. So once you've gotten all of the sizes correct, make sure you set them aside and you don't mix them up, because I've done that so many times. And just a quick note about these nails, they're incredibly thick. They're not really plasticky and super bendy like some of the ones I've tried from the drugstore. This is a really high quality nail, and I'll show you the result after 3 days. So we're gonna go ahead and prep the nail. It comes with a little hand file buffer, but I don't recommend using this because it is very bendy. It was hard to actually buff my nails, so if you have a buffing block at home, I recommend using what you have. Otherwise, I mean, it does the job, but it just takes a little bit of elbow grease. And then I'm using an alcohol wipe just to wipe away the dust. And it comes with these stickers, but I decided to use the glue just to see how well it holds up. Now, you have to cut off the little tip, and then when you're applying the glue, make sure you don't use too much. You don't want it spilling over the side, but you do want to make sure you put enough so that when you press the nail down, it spreads to either end, because you'll see in my final cutaways of how the nail is starting to lift around the cuticle. Because it's my first time, I did slip. That happens, but just keep in mind that this stuff is really, really sticky. It can burn potentially and rip your skin, so just be careful. But that's the first nail done, and then I went ahead and just did all of my nails. When you're pushing the fake nail onto the nail, I kind of push the cuticle down, not too hard because it can really irritate your cuticle, so just be super gentle. And you want to push just a little bit just to make it look really natural as it grows out. Make sure you do put enough glue around the cuticle. Sometimes it can lift, and if you find that you didn't put enough, put some glue onto the corners or the outsides of the nails to make sure that they are fully applied with glue all around it so that there's no potential lifting. So here is me finishing up one hand. I love nails like these because they're great for the one-time use. If you're someone like me who likes to change up their nails all the time, I highly recommend trying this out. So this is what my first hand looks like. Let's do a quick TikTok transition, and here are all my nails complete. I love this set so much, and I know a lot of you guys from my Instagram loved it too. I finished off my manicure with peach cuticle oil from a brand called Tammy Taylor. It smells amazing. Cuticle oil really finishes off any manicure and makes it look a lot more luxurious. It restores moisture back into your cuticles after a manicure. Here are the 2 Instagram photos that I posted for this look. I was so inspired by the nails that I had to recreate it on my eyelids. I'm not the best makeup artist, but I tried. But I want to now show you guys what it looks like after 3 days of application. I've showered with these. I've gone running with these. I've, pulled up my jeans and buttoned my pants with these. They're totally fine. But as you can see, they're starting to have lifting on the corners of the either side wall. So you can see that kind of like white cast shadow. It's just because it's starting to lift there. These nails aren't meant or claimed to like last up to, 2 to whatever, however long real acrylics last. However, the quality and thickness of this press-on nail is very, very good. It's very high quality. It's not like really thin and flimsy and breakable or anything like that. I can't say how much the stickers will last you, but if you're just doing it for a photo shoot or something short, then maybe use the stickers. But if you're having an event where you'll be eating and opening up your bag and things like that, running your hands through your hair, then I would recommend using the glue. This would be great for a nice little wedding. If you don't want to go get a manicure, it's definitely a more affordable option. But yeah, this is after 3 days, and to remove it, I'll probably just dunk my nails in acetone and have them come off on their own. But thank you so much for watching. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.